Hi everyone, it's Tiana. I'm a visual person. I have to do things, see things before I can kind of like map it out in my head. So I'm just gonna show you just how the creative process looked for me because I was going all over the place. I had blue in my mind and I'm so happy at the way that the final manicure came out, but I had this design in my head. So I was gonna do a nail art that looked like that, although I think that would have been super cute. I did this really cute nail tip here. I did, this white design. And I also did like mixed metals here. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of show you where my mind was. Like, as you can see, it just spanned the gamut of what it is that I wanted to do. But I settled on the design and I'm really happy I did. But I guess I just wanted to show you that, the creative process looks very different for everyone.